Do you dream of retiring at an early age? Want the kind of freedom that only financial independence can offer you? Would you like to know of a simple investing challenge that can allow you to achieve financial independence and even potentially retire early? Then you have to check out today's video.
He is a best-selling author.
30-year-old Jason Fieber has a plan.
This guy retired at only 33 years old.
I don't know if I know too many people that have accomplished something like that.
He's really kind of a guru when it comes to passive income.
Before I get into today's content, please give us a big thumbs up if you find value in our videos. Helps us to get the word out and grow the channel, and I'd really appreciate it. I want to share with you a simple investing challenge that can allow you to achieve financial independence and retire early, also known as FIRE. This challenge is coming from someone who already took it on and overcame it, and I was able to quit my job and retire in my early 30s because of it. I now live off of the 5-figure annual dividend income my stock portfolio generates for me. And let me tell you, honestly, it's an amazing position to be in. It's all about that sweet, sweet freedom. Being able to do what you want, when you want, where you want, why you want, with whom you want is priceless. The investing challenge I'm gonna tell you about is very simple. But simple doesn't mean easy. This challenge is actually very, very difficult. Just as climbing a mountain is a pretty straightforward idea on paper, it's very, very difficult to actually do it in real life. But anything worth having in life is worth working hard for. If this challenge were easy, everyone would be financially independent and retired early. You ready for a good challenge? Let's dig in. I'm presenting this investing challenge to you viewers for 2 reasons. The first reason is that it's simple to remember. There's nothing complicated about this. But there's another reason, and the second reason is even more important. This challenge will result in success. I know because I've done it and I'm personally experiencing the rewards. The math checks out, and I can almost guarantee you that if you take this challenge on, you will achieve financial independence and retire early. You will achieve FIRE. Now, you can't retire early if you don't have enough time to do so. So this challenge is largely going to apply to you youngins out there. But this challenge can still deliver remarkable results at any age. Even if you're already in your 50s and can take this challenge on to become 50% financially independent within a few years, that'd still be a great outcome. Financial independence is wonderful, of course, but it'd still be fantastic to have half of your expenses covered by passive income, right? So no matter how old you are, strongly consider undertaking the ultimate FIRE investing challenge. The challenge is this: invest at least as much as you spend. That's right. Whatever you spend, match it with investing. If you spend, say, $2,000 a month, you should aim to invest at least $2,000 a month. Of course, this challenge is impossible to undertake if you don't know what you're spending. As I've noted in prior videos, it's critical that you track every single penny of your spending. If you start tracking your spending, you're gonna find that you spend much more than you think you do. And that's okay. That just tells you where the fat is. Can't cut out the fat if you don't know where it is. This challenge implies a 50% savings rate. So you're gonna save and invest half of your income and then spend the other half. Think that's too difficult? Don't make enough money? Well, what you make is less important than you think. You can outspend any income. Instead, take a look at those expenses. If you find it hard to invest what you spend, figure out how to spend less. Focusing on what you keep over what you make is so important. Once you do, you'll see the need to spend less. If you spend less, that'll help you in 2 ways. First, the challenge will be easier by virtue of a lower spending target to match. Second, you'll have more money to invest by virtue of less money going out the door on expenses. I personally undertook this challenge for myself, and this helped turn my life around. I was worth less than a baby at 27 years old. That's right. A baby is worth $0. No assets, no liabilities. I was in debt at 27. So a baby that can't walk or talk was worth more than me at 27 years old. That's embarrassing, right? So I started investing as much as I was spending, sometimes much more than I was spending. And the more I saved, the more I invested. And the more I invested, the more I wanted to save and invest. I invested my savings into high quality dividend growth stocks, which supercharged my results and started raining down upon me safe growing dividends. And I was able to reinvest those safe growing dividends, which bought me more stocks paying safe growing dividends. Undertaking this challenge and absolutely smashing it greatly helped me to achieve financial independence and retire in my early 30s. I went from below broke to financially free in under a decade, and I did that after growing up on welfare in Detroit, having my parents abandon me, not having a college degree, and never even having a high-paying job. So if I can do this, you can do it. This challenge might seem hard at first, but it actually gets easier and easier as you go. Seeing a wealth and passive income snowball start to form and grow bigger right in front of your very eyes is awesome. There's a positive reinforcement here. The challenge rewards you in real time with more wealth and passive income. And the more wealth and passive income you build, the more you'll want to build. It's like a gravitational pull towards success. Success begets more success, wealth begets more wealth, and passive income begets more passive income. And financial independence begets freedom, autonomy, and happiness. You can't get to the mountaintop without taking that first step, and you can't achieve financial independence without saving and investing that first dollar. As for where to invest those dollars, make sure to follow the channel. We're putting out a ton of videos that highlight compelling dividend growth stocks for long-term investment. You'll never be short on ideas or opportunities here. So get busy matching your spending on a dollar for dollar basis and start investing at least as much as you're spending. Then watch that wealth and passive income snowball grow right in front of your eyes. I'll see you on the mountaintop. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give us a like if you did, and let us know in the comments what you think about this simple investing challenge. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. Also take a look at the description box below for some important links, including a link to my personal stock portfolio. This six-figure portfolio, which I call the Fire Fund, generates enough passive dividend income for me to live off of. It allowed me to retire in my early 30s. I've made my portfolio entirely accessible over at Patreon, and I also post alerts there whenever I buy or sell a stock. I put my money where my mouth is, and I'm often invested in the same high-quality dividend growth stocks that I make videos on. Over the years, I've heard from thousands of investors who've been profiting from many of the same exact stocks that I own. So if you think this is something that you could benefit from as well, check the link in the description to see my portfolio and start getting my buy and sell alerts. I'll see you next time.